Welcome to this exciting English mix quiz. Test your knowledge of grammar, tenses, synonyms, antonyms, and more. Hit the like button. Let's begin. She to the market every Saturday. A. Go. B. Going. C. Goes. D. Went. Answer: C. Goes. What is the synonym of brave? A. Cowardly. B. Timid. C. Fearless. D. Weak. Answer: C. Fearless. The quality of these products. Been tested. A. Have. B. Had. C. Were. D. Has. Answer: D. Has. She is very good playing the piano. A. At. B. In. C. For. D. With. Answer: A. At. You have met her before? A. Have you? B. Didn't you? C. Haven't you? D. Don't you? Answer: C. Haven't you? What is the antonym of generous? A. Charitable. B. Giving. C. Kind. D. Stingy. Answer: D. Stingy. Each of the boys. A new uniform. A. Have. B. Are having. C. Has. D. Were. Answer: C. Has. By the time she arrived, the meeting. A. Started. B. Had started. C. Have started. D. Start. Answer: B. Had started. He has been waiting 2 hours. A. Since. B. During. C. From. D. For. Answer: D. For. The news. Shocking to everyone. A. Were. B. Have been. C. Is. D. Are. Answer: C. Is. Let's go for a walk. A. Won't we? B. Shall we? C. Can we? D. Will we? Answer B. Shall we? What is the synonym of rapidly? A. Slowly. B. Quickly. C. Lazily. D. Calmly. Answer B. Quickly. They dinner when the lights went out. A. Had. B. Have had. C. Were having. D. Have. Answer C. Were having. What is the antonym of ancient? A. Aged. B. Contemporary. C. Historical. D. Classic. Answer B. Contemporary. It is I who. Responsible for the error. A. Are. B. Am. C. Were. D. Have been. Answer B. Am. The book is written. A famous author. A. From. B. With. C. Of. D. By. Answer D. By. She doesn't like coffee. A. Does she? B. Did she? C. Doesn't she? D. Do she? Answer A. Does she? What is the synonym of furious? A. Calm. B. Happy. C. Enraged. D. Joyful. Answer C. Enraged. Mathematics, my favorite subject at school. A. Are. B. Were. C. Have been. D. Is. Answer D. Is. He, his homework before he went to bed. A. Finishes. B. Finished. C. Had finished. D. Was finishing. Answer C. Had finished. She arrived. The airport. Just in time. A. To. B. On. C. At. D. In. Answer C. At. He had left before noon. A. Hadn't he? B. Didn't he? C. Has he? D. Had he? Answer A. hadn't he? What is the antonym of transparent? A. Clear. B. See-through. C. Vivid. D. Opaque. Answer: D. Opaque. The committee reached a unanimous decision. A. Have. B. Were. C. Has. D. Are. Answer: C. Has. She Spanish for 3 years before she moved to Madrid. A. Studied. B. Has studied. C. Studies. D. Had been studying. Answer: D. Had been studying. What is the synonym of peculiar? A. Normal. B. Ordinary. C. Strange. D. Familiar. Answer: C. Strange. Not only the manager, but also the staff invited. A. Was. B. Were. C. Is. D. Has been. Answer: B. Were. He apologized, being late to the meeting. A. About. B. Of. C. On. D. For. Answer: D. For. They won't be coming? A. Will they? B. Won't they? C. Shall they? D. Do they? Answer: A. Will they? What is the antonym of compulsory? A. Required. B. Necessary. C. Enforced. D. Optional. Answer: D. Optional. Either the principal or the teachers to attend the seminar. A. Has. B. Have. C. Was. D. Is. Answer: B. Have. By next year, her degree. A. Will complete. B. Completes. C. Will have completed. D. Is completing. Answer: C. Will have completed. What is the synonym of affluent? A. Wealthy. B. Poor. C. Needy. D. Destitute. Answer: A. wealthy. Neither the students nor the teacher. Present yesterday. A, were. B, have been. C, was. D, are. Answer: C, was. He is married. A doctor. A, with. B, by. C, to. D, of. Answer: C, to. This is your first visit here? A, is it? B, was it? C, isn't it? D, wasn't it? Answer: C, isn't it? What is the antonym of diligent? A, hardworking. B, industrious. C, lazy. D, thorough. Answer: C, lazy. A number of students absent today. A, is. B, was. C, has. D, are. Answer: D, are. What is the synonym of melancholy? A, cheerful. B, content. C, sorrowful. D, lively. Answer: C, sorrowful. What is the antonym of verbose? A, wordy. B, concise. C, lengthy. D, repetitive. Answer: B, concise. Pick your next topic, and don't forget to share your score with us. Thanks for playing along. See you in the next quiz.